Hey guys, Rob here, Yellow Rose Ranch. Welcome to our ranch. Anyways, I thought we'd talk chicken, talk some simple math, and how you can eat free chicken by buying one thing at the farmer's market, byproduct of that chicken. You gotta do something with the necks, you gotta do something with the feet, you gotta do something with the carcasses when you break down those chickens. We just butchered 40 chickens. If you're doing whole, that would be 200 pounds. We broke them down. Breaking down is where you're actually going to make your money, especially if you're selling the chicken at the farmer's market. That's not what I'm talking about today, though. I'm talking about how you can have your chicken, eat it for free. Some simple chicken math. It's going to cost you about $10 to raise one chicken. Breaking it down really quick, $3 for the bird, 15 pounds of food. You got your heat lamp that you got to pay electricity for, and you got some water, and you got pine chips. I'll throw all those numbers up on the screen. This is based off of 40 birds because that's what we just processed this week, and I did the math. And I came to a realization that if we wanted to eat free chicken, we could sell just the bone broth and pretty much break even. But basically, we got 12 pounds of thighs, 8 pounds of drumstick, 11 pounds of wings, 21 pounds of breast. We did some whole, about 20 pounds there, and then we did some leg quarters, about 9 pounds. All in all, 40 birds. That comes out to right around 80 pounds. But with all the carcasses, feet, neck, put that all in a big pot, added some celery, added some carrots and onions, water, cooked that down for 3.5 days or so, skimmed off all the fat, all that stuff, strained it. We got 30 quarts of bone broth, which we actually sell at the farmer's market for $15 a pop. So do the math, that's $450. Our average is about $10 per bird to raise them out to butcher weight. So 40 birds, $10, 400. So we've made $50 already if we didn't sell any of the chicken. We are going to sell the chicken, and based off those numbers, I came up with roundabout average, without getting into too much detail, about $800. Not eating any of the chicken, the products, which is kind of one of the perks of being a farmer, is you get free chicken. $1,200, 40 chickens. That takes about 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night. Feed them, water them, move the tractor. I would say the majority of your work is going to be breaking down those chickens, processing them myself. If I'm doing it alone, I can do about 10 an hour, and that's working at a pretty slow pace. I like to do 4 at a time. I got 4 kill cones, 4 at a time. I do 2 in our scalder, 2 in the plucker, go back, do the other 2, and then I eviscerate all 4 chickens, goes in a cooler, and go back for the next round. I'm 50 years old. No matter what your age, you could probably do this. And I just want to thank you for watching. I hope you got some good information out of this. Like I said, feel free to comment, ask any questions. Our next video, I'm going to record at the farmer's market. I'll show you our setup. I will give you I'll try my best to give you the numbers of what we sell from this 80 pounds of chicken. I also got 40 pounds of lamb back from the processor the other day. We'll be doing 10 to 20 rabbits, and I think we're going to do 10 ducks. And we still got a little bit of beef from our last cow. And I'll let you know how we do. Thanks, guys. See you soon.